friends, TUXX here. You know, sleep is really important to me, and I've been working on different ways to get a better sleep, and I try and report on that in this channel quite a bit. And one thing that was mentioned to me from a viewer was these memory foam pillows, okay? And we're going to open this up here. These are from Amazon. I'll have a link for you right below. The company is Syerlory, okay? And this is meant to, is a cubed memory foam pillow, okay? So more about that in a minute, but let's go ahead and open this up here so you can check this out. We'll go ahead and give us a little cutty cut. I'll say this box is very heavy. I don't know if there's something else in this box. Amazon sometimes ships different things together, and maybe that's the case, but in general, this box it came in feels extremely heavy. Now, it is 2 memory foam pillows, and I'm sure they're like, you know, compressed, like the air's removed for them. Otherwise, there's no way you can fit 2 pillows in this box, but we're going to find out together here. Let's go ahead and open this up and see if Amazon shipped anything else in this box, because it just feels way too heavy. Oh, no, it's 2 pillows. Wow. Okay, so this is how it comes. It looks like maybe they could sell these singly. It's like 2 like little, almost like little hot dogs of pillow, and that has a good amount of weight to it too. So this is a pretty big pillow. Let's go ahead and pull out the other one for you. Nothing else hiding in the box. And pretty bare bones packaging here. It doesn't really have any kind of particular branding on it or anything. But again, these come highly recommended for being really comfortable and helping you sleep. Okay, so that's really good. Now, the premium material in here, they say it's made of clean, new cross-cut memory foam. Okay, so some memory foam pillows are like one sheet of foam, and some are like cross-cut memory foam in the thing. So we're gonna find out more about that as we open this up, but let's go ahead and open one of these and we'll see how it uncompresses here. I'm just gonna open one of the 2 because I'm kind of probably gonna save this one or use one in the guest room, one in the regular bedroom, but we'll see here. Let's go ahead and open this up. We're gonna pull it out, give us a little pull. There we go. Feels nice. Has a nice outer material, I can tell. And oh yeah, it's jonesing to open up here. And you kind of see what this looks like. We'll give it a second or two for the air to get in and expand it out. And you can see it does have kind of a little textured material. It looks like this is not removable. Let's see here. Oh no, this is just a cover. All right, hold on. Let me pull this off too. No need to keep that on. I wasn't sure if that was actually some kind of like courtesy cover. Let's see here. I guess it's kind of like a fake pillow cover, and this is what the pillow actually looks like. Okay, so you can see it has a nice like honeycomb pattern on here, and feeling it, yeah, this is definitely like cross-cut. So it's not like one sheet of memory foam, it's like chunks of memory foam kind of put in here. And you can see it feels pretty fluffy, and it has a good amount of weight. It almost feels like a weighted blanket or something, which is interesting. The size is 24 inches by 17 inches, okay? So 24 by 17, and you can see if I put my hand down here, we'll give this the hand test. We'll push this down here and release, and you can see it comes up pretty quickly. So it doesn't really hold that memory foam. Some memory foam pillows, like you put your head on it, sinks down, and you're just there, you know? This one, it really is actively trying to push you up, you know, which is good. That way, you know, your head can rest in here, but it'll actually support like your neck and other areas. So that's the deal with that. I'm gonna give these pillows a try, and I may report back some additional comments. You can see now it's pretty expanded here. It's kind of like the width of it here. You can see the back side, very fluffy. Doesn't take long for it to expand up, and it looks like there is a zipper too. So if you wanted to, you could probably, is that a zipper? Oh yeah, it sure is. You can see there's a pillow on the inside. It's for easy washing. And there's another zipper here, and here you can see the cross-cut memory foam pieces. Okay, so these are like small pieces, about, you know, an inch or so in size, okay, or less. And so that's all there. So that's the deal on that. We got 2 different like little layers of zipper action going on here. Let me make sure I can zipper this shut okay. There we go. Nice and secure. And so that's it, guys. I just wanted to show this to you real quick. Again, this did come referred by a viewer, and it's this thing where I do listen to you guys. So if you ever have suggestions for good sleep, I'd love to hear what you use to help you get a good sleep, okay? And if you want to try these memory foam pillows like I'm going to, and again, they come highly recommended, I'll have a link for you right down below. It's a white bed pillow. Again, it's memory foam, and this is kind of like made of clean cross-cut slices of memory foam. Okay, so it's a nice thing. They don't use any leftovers or anything like that. It's all premium materials. They just cut it in shreds to make it even more comfortable for you. So buy it with confidence. To recap, these are 2 memory foam pillows, a set, okay, and this is sold on Amazon. I will have a link for you right below. The company's name is S as in snake, Syerlory, okay, and Syerlogy, okay, and again, link down below for you. But again, highly recommended, and good size, 24 inches by 17 inches, nice thick memory foam. Feels very soft. I'm looking forward to taking a little nap on these and let you guys know if I have additional comments. I'll definitely pin it down below, okay? But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'd love to hear your tips. TUXXtoys@gmail.com. Help me get a good night's sleep, and let me know what you're doing, okay? And again, if you want to check out these pillows I'm trying, the link's right below, okay? All right, thanks for making it to the end of the video, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Click the link.